10th स्टैंडर्ड में है और इस 2026 में अपना बोर्ड का एग्जाम देने वाले हैं, और एक पेपर जो पहले 4th मार्च को होने वाला था, अब वो होने वाला है 18th मार्च को। दैट इज बोर्ड की हिस्ट्री में पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि एसएस का पेपर लास्ट में आ रहा है। सो आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग मोर टाइम टू प्रिपेयर, बट यही लेंथी सब्जेक्ट के आईएमपी कैसे प्रिपेयर करें, 3 मार्कर 4 मार्कर एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करें सो दैट यू कैन गेट मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, वही आईएमपी लेके आई हूं आपके लिए। सो यू हैव टू बी विद द सेशन till end to get the best mark in the best way। उसके लिए लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे, 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चन की तैयारी कैसे करें, एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव को कैसे बेस्ट तरीके से फुल मार्क्स मिले ऐसे लिखे, वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इसी वीडियो में मिलने वाली है। बट आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको एंड तक ये वीडियो देखना है, क्योंकि यू आर ऑन वन ऑफ द चैनल विच इज one of the biggest educational channel in Gujarat, that is TDY. The Diwalipura Youth is the most reliable and most trustworthy channel for all the students in entire Gujarat. क्यों भाई, ये हम तो कह ही रहे हैं, लेकिन ये 20,50,000 से भी ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा अब तक जीत चुका है। एंड नाउ इट्स योर टर्न, एंड अगेन वी आर हियर to give you some those important questions जिसको आपको perfectly prepare किया तो SS is going to be very easy for you। तो क्यों? Because this channel is that which provides most reliable and most important questions that will help you to boost up your result। So stay tuned with me, and here we are starting with the SSIMP, that exam which is going to be conducted on 18th of March 2026, right? So section D, which holds 4 marks student, and those questions would be coming from say 47 to 53. But the last question, 54th question, will be of map marking, and that is compulsory। वो आपके लिए कंपल्सरी होगा। बाकी 4 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस मींस आउट ऑफ 7 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू आंसर एनी 4 क्वेश्चंस। तो मैं आज आपको बताने वाली हूं कि वो क्वेश्चंस की प्रिपरेशंस कौन से चैप्टर से करनी है, और हर एक चैप्टर वाइज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी देने वाली हूं। Okay, so stay tuned। Over here it comes as it is going to come from chapter number 5, from chapter 10, 17 and 21। जो चैप्टर के ऊपर स्ट्रिक्ट मार्क है उसके लिए उस चैप्टर में से 2 क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। सो यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग इन दैट चैप्टर वेरी स्पेसिफिकली। ओवर हियर ये सारे क्वेश्चंस 4 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस जैसे मैंने बताया वुड बी फ्रॉम 47 टू 53, एंड द 54th इज मैप फिलिंग which would be compulsory for you। Now chapter wise देखते हैं which are the important questions, and now if you are not preparing that then it's on your risk। okay, chapter wise देखते हैं। अरे उसके पहले चैप्टर के अंदर डाइव करो उसके पहले आई नो कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के पहले कितना टेंशन होता है। एंड स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल द 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, आप तो आपका पेपर पहली बार, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स तो पहली बार दे रहे हैं। So over here the entire team of the Diwalipura Youth, that is the TDY, is into the program that बच्चों को ये बोर्ड एग्जाम्स कैसे इजी लगे और कैसे मार्क्स अच्छे से स्कोर कर पाए। अब तक तो आपका सिलेबस रेडी हो ही गया होगा, लेकिन लास्ट मिनट, हाँ मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि लास्ट मिनट प्रिपरेशन कैसे करें। कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं होगा जो रह गया और किसी ने कर लिया हमारा रह गया। उसी के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू कम एंड वी आर कमिंग सिंस इयर्स 2019 से हम आ रहे हैं एक जोरदार वावाझोड़ू लेके। यस, एक ऐसा वावाझोड़ू जो मार्क्स लेके आ रहा है आपके लिए। सो क्या है ये वावाझोड़ू? ये वावाझोड़ू एक ऐसा सेशन है जो आपकी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के पहले वाले दिन आता है। दैट मीन्स अगर आप गुजराती मीडियम में है तो कल बोर्ड की एग्जाम है तो आज रात को 9 बजे आता है, एंड इफ यू आर इन इंग्लिश मीडियम देन उनके लिए वावाझोड़ू एग्जाम वाले दिन सुबह 5:30 बजे आता है। और ये अगर देख लिया तो मैं बोलती हूँ आपके परसेंटेज 110% बढ़ने वाले हैं। सो अब मिस किया तो आपने मार्क्स भी मिस किया, राइट? सो इसीलिए इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स इतने सालों से बोल रहे हैं कि वावाजुडू हिट है बॉस। ओके, सो एक्सपीरियंस द वावाजुडू एंड दैट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल टू यू ओनली, क्योंकि मार्क्स तो आपके ही बढ़ने वाले हैं इसीलिए, राइट? मूविंग फॉर द चैप्टर, मूविंग अगेन फॉरवर्ड फॉर द चैप्टर, chapter number 5, which is the chapter India's heritage of science and technology, जिसके क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं on question number 47 and 48. Which are those questions? Apart from making you prepare entire chapter और बोल रहे ये important, ये important, ये important, इससे more specific, more reliable are these 7 questions. इसमें से भी there are 2-star questions which are the most important. So now it's up to you कि आपको वो प्रिपेयर करके जाना है तो आपका फायदा है, नहीं प्रिपेयर करे या छोड़ दिया तो आपको ही देखना पड़ेगा. So let's see what are those questions. Number 1, write a note about the discoveries made by Aryabhatta in the field of mathematics. Number 2, write a note about the progress achieved by ancient Indian in mathematics. And comes the most important third question, state the contribution made by an ancient India in astronomy. Okay, astronomy important to prepare. Fourth one, state the contribution of ancient India in metallurgy. Fifth one, give an introduction to chemistry as an experimental science. And again coming with the most important one, which is give information and explanation about Vastu Shastra in ancient India. So prepare well. And the 7th question is give an introduction to the following historical figures, that is Maharshi Charak, Varamihir and Acharya Nagarjuna. These are the 7th questions from this chapter which you have to prepare well. Moving on to the next chapter. Chapter number 10, India, Agriculture, whose question can come on question number 49 and 50 of your board exam paper, right? Before that, let me tell you one special note. That is, question may be asked based on figures of 10.1, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6 in the textbook. So be sure to look at those figures once. Now ये चैप्टर ऐसा है जिसके अंदर फिगर दिए हुए हैं जिसको ओवरलुक नहीं करना है. These are those figures can be asked in some or the other way. कैसे भी करके पूछ सकते हैं, तो ये नोट डाउन कर लो, इसको प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी होगा आपके लिए. मिस किया तो मार्क्स भी मिस किया. ओके, मूविंग ऑन फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which is again most important out of the 7 important ones. कौन सा है वो देखते हैं. How many types of farmings are there in India and which are they? Write a note on any 4 types. All 4 types you have to elaborate specifically, nicely. Second, clarify the difference between Kharif crop and Rabi crop. The third one, state the institutional reform that have been taken place in the agricultural sector in India. And again coming for the 4th one, which is most important again, and that question is, for what reason has adequate development of agriculture not been achieved in India? That is important out of the important one. Okay. 5th one, write a note on Green Revolution. 6th one, what favorable circumstances are required for paddy crop? State the names of the Indian states that are significant producers of it. That can be helpful for the map filling also sometimes, so you have to be alert for that. 7th one, what favorable circumstances are required for wheat crop? And state the names of the Indian state that are significant producers of it. These are the 7 questions from chapter number 10 which you have to prepare it well. Moving for the next chapter, that is 17th one, that is economic problems and challenges, poverty and unemployment. That can come on question number 51 and 52 of the question paper. There are 7 questions. Let us say which are those. The first one, the poor live in wealthy India. Explain the statement. Second one, most important one, that is most important, don't just take it lightly, okay? State the general characteristic of people living below poverty line and have to specify all those points, okay? Third one, if an unemployment is to be reduced in India, then proper planning of labor power can be the best remedy. Over here, two questions are there. How? And that too you have to explain how also and explain also. Moving for the fourth one, discuss in detail any four measures to reduce unemployment in India. Fifth one is state the provisions of Annapurna Yojana as a food security program. And the sixth one, important one, that is the root of poverty in India are much deeper in rural areas than in urban areas, right? Which reasons do you consider responsible for this? Important one, detailed writing is important to get full marks. Everyone can write well, everyone can miss out 5-3 points. But in order to get full marks in SS, you have to write detailed point-wise answers. And here we are coming up with 7 questions out of the 2 primarily important questions. Now it's up to you, right? Moving on for the next one. 7th, describe any of the agricultural development programs or schemes implemented by government as main measures to reduce poverty in India. 7 questions from the 17th chapter. You have to prepare it well. Moving for the next slide, that is divine. After 10th standard, if you are opting for science stream, if you have siblings who are from 6th standard to say 10th standard, and if you want the best place for their overall development, base clear है, क्लियर हो जाएगा. पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी ऐसी है कि क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते हैं. देयर वुड बी सच काइंड ऑफ फैकल्टीज, यू विल फील इट वेरी फेमिलियर, कि आपको लगेगा कि नहीं क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, डाउट इजीली पूछ सकते हैं, कोई जज करने वाला नहीं है. एंड दिस मैसेज गोज फॉर ऑल पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. जो पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना की वजह से फॉर सम रीजन आपके बच्चे उस समय में कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट को मिस आउट कर गए, और उसका अभी भी यू कैन सी दैट वो पहले बहुत अच्छे थे स्टडीज में एंड नाउ दे आर गोइंग लो. Or if your students, or if your child is a kind of student who can score more, if it is bringing 85% और उससे भी ज़्यादा आ सकते कैपेबिलिटी है, तो the basic place is divine. Divine, you can come and visit our centers. Our centers are located at Vadodara and Rajkot, and here you are going to get overall development, जहाँ पे आपका कैरियर बहुत ही बेस्ट तरीके से बन सकता है. Here, if you want to inquire, you can inquire on the number that is 988872 8886, 988875 8886. And और एक बात बता दूँ, फीस is low, उसके साथ क्वालिटी इज द बेस्ट, एंड द एडमिशंस आर गेटिंग फिल्ड नाउ इटसेल्फ. तो अगर आप लेट हो गए तो शायद लेट हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द टाइम टू जस्ट बुक फॉर योर एडमिशन. ओके, मूविंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, चैप्टर 21 दैट इज सोशल चेंज. किसके क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं ऑन क्वेश्चन 53 of the board paper? Which are those 6 questions? Let's go through it. First one, state the government effort to curb corruption. Second one, answer the following questions. What is child labor? Describe various forms of child labor. Then the B, corruption is a cause of price rise. Explain why. Each would be carrying 2 marks and total forming 4 marks. Okay. Moving for the third most important one, out of the important one, that is, why is knowledge of general laws necessary? And the fourth one, what provisions has the government made for the protection and welfare of the elderly? And the fifth one, which is most important, is write any 4 measures to eradicate communalism. Okay. Sixth one, explain the right of persons with disability act 2016 published by the government for Divyang students. These are the 6 questions from the chapter 21. Now it's up to you. Moving for the next one, map filling, 4-mark question on question number 54th of your board exam paper. Which are the chapters from which you have to prepare? Chapter number 8. That is from chapter number 8, they can ask you different types of land forms or land types. And Chapter number 9, they can ask you the places of different wildlife sanctuaries and national park. From chapter 10, they can ask crop production regions, the regions which are prime for a particular kind of crop. And from the 13th one, an industrial center can be asked to be located on map. See, chapter number 14, railways, but they have not been asking from these chapters since a long time. So, we have to mark it in this way. It can be asked, it cannot be asked, but these chapters are most important for you to get 4 mark easily from chapter 8, 9, 10, 13 and 14 on question number 54 of map filling. Okay. So, let's go for the next. In this IMP session, you are going to get the questions for 4 marks and for 3 marks. लेकिन सारे क्वेश्चंस अगर देखने हैं 2 मार्कर को बेहतरीन तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना है, ऑब्जेक्टिव को भी बेस्ट तरीके से अच्छे से रेडी कर देना है, देन यू द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज देव सत्या पेपर सेट. डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक है, लिंक को प्रेस करने से एंड पेमेंट ऑफ वेरी मिनिमल दैट इज 149 रुपीज में ही यू कैन गेट दिस पीडीएफ राइट नाउ आफ्टर जस्ट क्लिकिंग एंड द पेमेंट. हाँ, आपको 10 मिनट के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू विल गेट इट, एंड फॉर सम रीजन आफ्टर 10 minutes और you are not getting, then you can WhatsApp it on 9998339958 or can mail it on diwalipurayouth@gmail.com. मगर अगर 10 मिनट वेट कर लिया तो पीडीएफ मिल ही जाती है, and that too in 149 rupees only as soon as you are just clicking there. तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि राह देखना पड़ेगा, एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग टुडे इटसेल्फ. सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको आज ही मिल सकते हैं जो बोर्ड में पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो नाउ डोंट मिस दैट. ओके, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, फटाफट से क्लिक करो. वेरी मिनिमम 149 ओनली. पिज्जा भी इससे महंगा आता है ना. मूविंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ अगेन कमिंग टू सेक्शन सी, दैट इज 3 marker question, and in that you are going to get 18 marks, means you have to attempt 6 questions out of given 9 questions, and these questions in the board paper would be asked from question number 38 to 46. From 38 to 46 you would be having 3 marker question. You have to attempt any 6 out of 9, and which are those chapters which are carrying 3 marker questions? Let's see, I'll show you. These are chapter number 3, 4, 8, 16, 18 and 19. Out of that, those chapter in which more than one question can be asked are 3, 8 and 18. Okay. Now, chapter wise देखते हैं which questions are the most important. Okay. The first one, Cultural Heritage of India, Sculpture and Architecture, question 38 and 39 of your board paper. Okay, special note over here also. Please note that question may also be framed based on figure number. These figures are important of your textbook. 3.2, 3.4, 3.6 and 3.10. तो देख लेना टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करके. And given in the textbook, it is recommended to review this figure once and prepare it well. Question number 1, given introduction to the architectural art of Gujarat. Question number 2, star mark. अब आपको पता है स्टार मार्क वाले क्वेश्चन का क्या महत्व है, ठीक है. Lothal was an important port of India. Explain this statement. The third one is given introduction to the pillars of Sarnath. Fourth one, give an introduction to the famous Sun Temple of Gujarat, Modhera. Fifth one, again star marked one, give information about public bath and public buildings in Mohenjo-daro. Sixth question is, give an introduction to Harappa as a town of an ancient India. Seventh one, write about the roads and drainage system in the town planning of Mohenjo-daro. These are the 7 questions of chapter number 3. Moving forward, the next one, that is chapter number 4, Literary Heritage of India, question number 40 of the question paper. Which are the questions? जो आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से आना चाहिए, लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. Those are number one. How can it be said that Vallabhi Vidyapit in Gujarat was a highly famous center of education in 7th century? Explain. Second one, which university's library area was known by the name Dharmaganj? Give detailed information about that university. You have to give information about that university so that you should know it better. Third one, star marked, and you are known to it. What does it mean? Okay. The third one is the Gupta period is called the golden age of Sanskrit literature. Why? Okay. Fourth one, give an introduction to India's famous center of learning, Varanasi. And the fifth one, again, the star marked. That is, how many Vedas are there? Which are they? And give brief information about each. Brief information about each is required. Important to write it in detail. And the sixth one, describe the Persian literature of the Delhi Sultanate period. These are the 6 questions of chapter number 4. Okay. Moving for chapter number 8, natural resources. Whose question can be asked on question number 41 and 42? Okay. Which are those questions and which are the star questions out of that? Let's see. Okay. The first one is, where is black soil found in India and state its characteristic? कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, ठीक से सही वाली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिखनी है and underline the keywords also. Moving with the next one, where is the desert type soil found in India? Give information about it. Third one, the starred one, that is, what is soil conservation? State the measures and remedies for the soil conservation. Very chances are there for this question to come. And you are knowing so many projects are going on soil conservations also. Okay. Moving for the fourth one, how many types of soils are there in India and which are they? Fifth, the important one again for you only, that is, what is a resource and state the uses of resources. Sixth one, describe the process of soil formation. They are asking how is the soil formed and state on what basis is its type classified. What are the characteristics that helps in its classification? उसको भी ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं, right? The question can be this type and can be framed in different way. You have to be alert and expert in finding out what you need to write. Okay? For the last one, state the measure to prevent soil erosion. ये तो आप नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो भी आता ही होगा. Till 10th standard you are keeping on learning this, but it is important. These are the 7 important questions from the chapter. Okay? For the next one, 16th, economic liberalization and globalization. Coming on question number 43. First question is, what are the objectives of the World Trade Organization? What functions and tasks is it undertaking to achieve its objectives? And the second one, the starred one is, what is liberalization among the economic reforms conducive to economic development in industrial policy? Okay, prepare it very well and state its benefits and disadvantages. Both you need to specify specifically in perfect way. The third one is, what is globalization and which reforms were undertaken in globalization. The fourth one, again the star marked, is write the benefits and disadvantages of privatization. Okay, to a different section you have to mention the benefits also and disadvantages also. Okay, fifth one, state the steps or measures for the protection of the environment. And the sixth one, which strategy should be adopted for the conservation and promotion of natural resources, so that can also be asked as sustainable development. For sustainable development. Okay, this question can be twisted and asked, but it is important, and these questions, 6 questions from the chapter 16 are to be prepared the best way. For the chapter number 18, price rise and consumer awareness, question number 44 and 45 might hold the questions from this chapter, and it might be this only. So let's see which are those questions. First one, give detailed information about the reasons for price rise. Detailed They are asking detailed. Okay, so pay attention in this word. Then don't tell it I didn't got the marks. Detailed information. Second one, the star marked is in which ways is a consumer exploited, and state them. You have to state them. Okay. The third one is who can file a complaint. State the details included in the complaint. Fourth one, black money is a cause of price rise. You need to explain this statement. How it is the cause of price rise. Fifth one, explain in detail regarding the rights and the duties of a consumer. These are important for you to know also and for you to learn also and to write in the exam also. Okay. Moving for the sixth one, the important one, which is very important. Sixth one is price rise is both conducive and hindrance to the economic development. Explain the statement. Explain both in two different paragraphs in point-wise way. Okay. Seventh one, what should be a customer be careful about when making a purchase? These are the 7 different types of questions from the chapter 18. Prepare it nicely. Chapter 19, human development, can appear on question number 46. 6 questions, 2 IMP questions. Out of that, let's see which you have missed out till now. First one, India belongs to the medium human development category in Human Development Index. What should be done to take it to the highest human development category? Which are those ways? Specify all of them. Write it well. What is women empowerment and state the factor obstructing it. And the third one, the starred one is which schemes has the Gujarat government implemented for women's equality? Explain. Explain it well. The fourth one, what kind of discrimination is seen against women in India? Discrimination list you need to write out. Okay, not जो आपके दिमाग में है नहीं, टेक्स्ट बुक में जो दिया है वो, ठीक है? State the challenges facing human development and explain any one of them. And the last one, that is sixth question, which is a star marked question. Let's see what is that. Answer the following question. Which neighboring countries of India are ahead of India in the Human Development Index? And the B is what vaccines are given to the children in the childhood vaccination program. These are the 6 important questions of chapter number 19. Moving for the next, that is again I am telling you, Divine is a place which is going to help you to make your career better. कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, पढ़ाई का मन होगा, बेस क्लियर नहीं है तो बेस क्लियर भी होगा. एंड दिस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 6 to 10 फाउंडेशन एंड 11-12 साइंस स्ट्रीम. Okay, so you all are welcome to Divine. Numbers दिए गए हैं. You are also knowing this address. You can visit the center also. Okay. So here the best place for foundation, for board exam preparation, for good set for NEET and for JEE. Which is that place? That place is Divine. हाँ, आप वहाँ पे विकी सर को भी मिल सकते हैं, हालांकि मैं तो होंगी ही वहाँ पे. But in order to get our offline experience of how do we teach to the students, visit Divine once. Okay. Moving for the next part. That is section B, 2 marker questions. And it would be from question number 25 to question number 37. You will have to attempt 9 out of 13. Yes, you will have to attempt 9 out of 13, and I'm going to tell you from which chapter you have to prepare this 2 marker questions, and those chapters are chapter number 1, chapter number 2, 6, 9, 12, 13 and 20. And you can see many of them are having asterisk on their head. So which are those? Those are 1, 2, 6, 12, 13 and 20. और अब तो आपको पता ही होगा asterisk का मतलब क्या होता है. And for preparing 2 marker questions, here we are going to read something short questions from textbook exercise and preparing section B of question papers from 1 to 5 of Dev Satya paper set 2026. So for preparing that, what you need to do, you just have to click in the link given in the description. 149 रुपीज में ये है, एंड जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हैं यू कैन गेट द PDF immediately within the 10 minutes, and after that you can start preparing today itself for your all the types of questions, 4 marker, 3 marker, 2 marker and objectives. Now it's up to you how to get those marks. Okay, moving for section A, that is 24 mark question, 1 mark each, and for each question in what is the pattern, कैसे पूछ सकते हैं, कैसे चैप्टर में से देखें, मैं बताती हूँ. देखिए, question number 1 to 5 can be in the form of match the pair, and that can be from the chapter 3 to 9, 12 and 22. Okay, question number 6 to 10 can be in the form of true or false, can be asked from the chapter 4, 3, 23, 19 and 20. And question 11 to 15 will be fill in the blanks type from the chapter 7, 22, 11 and 14. Question number 16 to 20 in the form of MCQ, multiple choice question, and that would be from chapter 7, 11, 15 and 23. From 21 to 24, it would be one word question from chapter 14 and 15, and you are already knowing what does this asterisk sign mean. Okay, so now these are the list of those chapters and the pattern in which 1 marker can be asked. Apart from that, prepare an objective question from the links to the videos of Vavajudu and Brahmastra given in the description below. We also have different links below in the description for preparing it well for objective in the form of Brahmastra, in the form of Vavajudu, that you have to prepare it well. वो देख लेंगे तो मार्क्स भी वावाजुडू की तरह आ ही जाने वाले हैं. ठीक है. Now these are the questions of social science which were important, and more important question चाहिए का I had given you the option Dev Satya paper set. Okay, so here in this video you have got something very important to prepare for 4 marker, 3 marker, 2 marker objective. अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करना बहुत ही जरूरी है. So share this video with most of the students so that they can also get good marks as you are going to get. चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें and stay with us till your board exams and forever so that we can be helpful in all the different forms. Would be coming with the new videos. तब तक के लिए bye.